welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, I wanted to go over this article that I read from Glamour that talk about the 5 key fall bag trend that we're about to see everywhere. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. And let's get into the 5 key fall bag trend that's about to be all over our social medias. Okay, everybody. So like I stated, I wanted to do this video because I thought this article was very interesting. So I wanted to go over what they are predicting, and I think that we've already starting to kind of see it because I've seen a lot of other YouTubers talk about this. So without any further ado, let's go through this article and see what they're talking about. So as we can see, it talks about the 5 key trend that we're going to see all over in 2020, in the late 2024. The fall weather is coming, and it's cozy weather and everything. So according to their list, it's saying that the very first thing that we're going to see all over is the burgundy stunner. So which means burgundy is the color. I think the red has been the color since like 2022, 2023. So it's gonna continue. It's just instead of more of that red, like the light red, the medium red, now we're going more into the burgundy red, the darker red, the richer red, because obviously it's fall time. We saw more red in the summer, in the spring. Now we're going into the burgundy, the darker red, to kind of match the cozy weather. The second thing that you're predicting is the studded tote, which that's really interesting, and I have kind of been seeing that around, especially in the releases by all of these fashion houses. So we'll go deep into it. And then the next one, they said the bow bags, okay, and the Amazon green, the Amazon gem, okay. So that's something to kind of look at it, because the greens are still kind of in and everything. It hasn't gone away. And then they have the ladylike carry-on, the utilitarian shoulder bag, so more of a everyday kind of bag that you can just walk around. And then they got the cult favorite Crescent. Crescent is not going anywhere. You guys know I've already participated in that trend. I've had the Louis Vuitton, the Loop Hobo GM bag. I sold that bag, and then I got the Fendi graphics. So I am partaking in the Crescent culture. And then obviously the bag charm. So we're seeing a lot of charms coming back into season, which is so surprising. People are charming out their bag. I think there was a video that I did about Hermes Birkin and how people were actually putting charms on their Hermes bag. So yeah, that's very interesting. So let's go into the article, okay? So as we guys can see, it says the dark cherry. So this is the very first trend where it's talking about, as you can see, we have Ferragamo, we have Gucci, we have J.W. Anderson that are partaking in this. And I think this is such a beautiful color. I am actually looking for a burgundy because that's one of the colors that I don't have. I have red in my collection. No, I have a burgundy bag but in Coach, but I don't have a burgundy luxury bag. So I want to kind of add that color. This is a color that I'm also looking for. I just think it's such a beautiful color. I love the dark. I love how rich it is. And as you can see, each fashion house play their own part in bringing it out. As you can see, the reds are not always the same red. You have ones that more have a purple undertone. You have more other ones that have more of like a cherry undertone. So you can see how these 3 fashion houses, how their burgundy red look a little bit different. And that's one thing I love about fashion, the fact that it works so good, and everybody have their own interpretation on how they want it to come out to people. So as you can see also on the bottom, they do provide more. You got Kate Spade. If you're looking into more of the contemporary house, you got Kate Spade, you got Reformation. I've never heard of Reformation, but I think that's a good price right there. You also have the Quiana, I think that's what it's called, Quiana. And then you got Everlane. It has tote, but you can see, like I said, the burgundy are a little bit different, and each one play their own, their own iteration on how they want it to look like. You see Gucci, the Gucci Marmont. bag in this beautiful cherry. You see the Coach one, the Coach Tabby 20 in the cherry. I think these are so beautiful, and as you can see, the different price point based on the luxury house. But I think the burgundy is here to stay for a little while, and I'm not mad at it. This is one of the trend that I actually want to participate in because I love this color. I think this color is so beautiful and it's just so rich. And as you can see, the Gucci bucket one, the YSL bucket one, it looks so good. And then you got Horset minimum one, so all of them have their own. And then the next trend that they talk about is the studded bags. And this one, I don't know how I feel about this one. I'm not really a studded person, so I really don't know how I feel about this one. I think it's very busy, but everybody has their own taste. People might love the fact that it has the stud and everything, but I'm not really such a big fan of this. As you can see, Acne Studio has their own version of it. You got Chloe, you got a McQueen. So I'm not really a big fan of stud, but we can see, I mean, I think I have one bag. I'm not sure if I even have any studded bag because I don't really go for stud. But as you can see, you got the Coach tabby with the ribbit on it. You have clear Luna bag with the little big old stud on it. You have Kate have their own Elaine stud bag for $2,800. You got the drop Hillary with the stud on it. I mean, everybody have their own, but I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of the stud. So if you are a big fan of the stud, keep an eye out. That's something that's going to be in style for coming the fall season. So everybody have their own taste. The next one is the Crescent silhouette. Guys, I love this. I am a proud participant when it comes to the Crescent silhouette. I can admit it, okay? I am a proud participant. So the Crescent ones, I did have the Louis Vuitton, the Loop Hobo GM bag. I sold that bag because I just thought it was so big. And it came to a point where I really wasn't using it. But when I first purchased it, that was my to-go bag. I was using that bag everywhere. But then it got too big and too cumbersome for me. So I ended up selling that bag in order for me to get my Gucci, not my Gucci, my Fendi graphic in, oh my God, Chef's Kiss. I love that bag, okay? So I am a firm believer when it comes to the Crescent bag. I can definitely say that, and I participate in that fully, okay? So as you can see, all of these houses have their own. You got the Uniqlo that have it for $20 if you want, budget friendly one. You got Sunday Best for $58 from Aritzia. You have Free People 98. You got Madewell. So you can definitely participate in this trend without breaking the bank. You have the Pauline Numero Dig for $580. That's such a very popular bag. You also have the Cherry Birch one, the T monogram Crescent bag for $428, and you have other bags, the Lemaire, and now the prices are going up as you can see. The Crescent bag for $795. You got the Jenny Kate Crescent. So everybody have their own interpretation of the Crescent bag, and I am here for this trend. I am here fully, and I love this trend, okay? So the Crescent silhouette, Chef's Kiss, I want that trend to keep continue because I love it, okay? I love how it's the moon shape. I love how it slouches. I just think it's so beautiful. The next trend, which is the special strap. So as you can see right here, they have Roxanda, I think, Tory Burch, and Marcino. All of them have it where it says it's like bags that have, unique strap and everything. I'm not really, I don't know. Honestly, with this trend, I don't know how to feel about this trend. I can definitely admit it. I think it's unique because it gives the handbag world a different thing to kind of look at. But as we can see so far, all of these bags are like reiteration of a previous bag that was released. So let's just say what it is. So you have obviously the Pauline Numero Neuf, which a lot of people love. They love the shape, but it doesn't, I don't know. I guess a lot of people complain about how you go into the bag. So that's something to look at. I love this Kate Spade, the knot one. I think that is so beautiful because the knot is so simple on the side. And then you have the J. Crew, the bucket one with the little strap on the side. You got the Tory Burch, the marshmallow saddle. So that's something to look at. And then you also have Reformation Victoria tote, and you have Luca bow bag. So I think that's unique. But the ones that I can say, one, as you can see, one thing I love the Bottega sardine bag. I don't know. I just think it's so unique, and it's pricey. So this one is the one 4,900. It's pricey, but I think this is such a unique bag. I love how, how different the handle is. This is like kind of like that bag that speaks volume, right? And I think with me, I can't honestly say that I actually participate in it, because I do have my Lanvin pencil tote, and it has a cat handle. Okay, so I think I do participate in this trend, just like how the Bottega have the sardine handle. Mine has the cat handle, and that's one of my most unique bags. So I am a big fan of this trend. First, I was like, I don't know how I feel about it, but I do like this trend because it's a little bit different, and it brings a little bit interesting into the bag. And you guys, if you've been around my channel, you know how much I love my Lanvin pencil box bag. I love that bag because it's so unique, and the handle is what makes that bag. The bag itself it's very simple, It's very simple, but the handle, chef's kiss, is what brings it. So you got the Bottega sardine one, you got the JW Orla bag. So I think that's a good one. The last trend is the bag charm, and I am here for this. I am such a big charm person. I think I have so many charms from different, whether I got it from Amazon, or I got it from Etsy, or I got it from Coach, or I got it from, I don't know. I just love bag charms. I think it brings the bag a little bit interesting. Like, it makes it more characteristic yours, because yes, it might be the same bag. So let's say me and somebody have the same, what bag? Fendi, the Fendi baguette. But if I put charm on mine, that's me personalize the bag for it to be more tailored to me compared to the next person. So I'm here for the charm. I think the charms are bigger, they're bolder, they're in your face, and I love it. I am in love with it. I do have this Coach Cherry. I did buy that a while back, and I love it. I have like a snowflake one. I have a lot of charms. I have a lot of charms. I love charms. I think charms are beautiful. It makes you dress up your bag so your bag can be a little bit different from the next person that have the same bag, right? So I am here for the charms. I think the charms are beautiful, and I hope the charms stay, because I think that would just make it so much more interesting. And I mean, even if it goes in and out, honestly, as you guys have been around my channel, I follow trend to a certain extent, but I don't follow trend, if you understand what I mean, right? I usually wear the bags that I love, and if I want to dress up my bag, I dress up my bag. If I don't want to dress up my bag, I don't dress up my bag, right? So I kind of, go with my own tune when it comes to anything. That's just how I've been in life. But I think with the charm, it just gives it just a different characteristic. It gives it a different personalization. It gives the bag something like, it make the bag So anyway, guys, those were the trend that I wanted to go over, and I think this article was so interesting, so I just wanted to go over this article. If you guys haven't read it, I'll put the link below in my description so you guys can come and read this article. I think it was a great one. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. And also, let me know which fall trend that I talked about on this video that you guys are interested in participating in. Let's have fun in the comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.